Oh, Canada. So nice and peaceful, eh? We have Timmies, we have healthcare, human rights. We just want world. What the hell? So Canada decided not to support improving health conditions of Palestinians living under occupation. Canada?
Are you high?
So the World Health Assembly reported that Israel was attacking health workers and health facilities in the occupied territories. They would prevent Palestinians and ambulances from passing through in order to obtain treatment. And by the way, all this report was saying wasn't about stopping the occupation or stopping human rights violations. It was literally just saying to let people who are occupied, the Palestinians who live under occupation, to let them, after they get injured, to obtain treatment without being held up at checkpoints and dying from their injuries. And to this, Canada said, hold my freedoms. I'm voting sorry, but no. So Canada will happily sell millions of dollars worth of military technology to Israel, which, by the way, is used to further the occupation and genocide and ethnic cleansing of Palestinians, then has the audacity to vote against improving the health conditions of the occupied Palestinians, who are mainly in the condition that they are in because of the occupation. Canada, طب يا زلمة اضحكوا علينا اعتبرونا هبل. Why not just support Israel from one end to kill Palestinians, which you already do? Then pretend, just do the pretending, habibi, to care about helping the Palestinians under occupation. Help them get medical treatment and then do it all over again. يا عمي play us like a violin, مش مشكلة. بس هيك, this is no. This is too obvious. This is so obvious it is insulting to our intelligence. Canada, did you forget how to do politics? Or could it be? No, it can't be. Israel Lobby? Is that you? yeah, that's you. And of course, countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and a few others voted no. Apparently, they don't want Palestinians to get the health treatment they need. This is just another reminder, another example of how hypocritical most nations are who claim to care about human rights. Oh, Canada. Free Palestine. Salam. Peace.
على عهدي على ديني على أرض تلاقيني